I'm Nancy Leader on the Zeta Report. In late 2003, when Planet X was coming into the inner solar system, dramatic second sun sightings occurred. Sunlight bounced off the Planet X dust cloud at an angle and returned to Earth. The angle was right. But when Planet X is in the line of sight, sunlight tends to bounce back directly to the Sun, as it was doing in this photo from Moscow, last January 5th, 2010. The two suns can be seen stacked one above the other. Recently, the second sun is back because the Earth is pulling to the left, leaving Planet X to the right, where the angle is again optimal, as in this sunrise photo, April 27, 2010. The second sun is rising ahead of the sun at sunrise, along the lines of the ecliptic. Then, not days later, on April 30th, 2010, another sunrise capture, this one a series of photos. Here also the second sun is rising ahead of the sun, along the line of the ecliptic, and even casts a separate reflection on the water. As both suns rise, the sun begins to dominate, and the second sun fades. The line across the second sun shows that this is not a lens flare or camera ghost, which would appear in front of all objects, not behind. Once again, dual reflections can be seen on the water. But evidence of Planet X near the sun comes from more than a second sun on sunrise or sunset. Moon swirls, which are long tubes of twirling moons, bounce light down their tunnels to funnel out one end. These orbs can be quite bright. These photos are from a video taken in Eastern Europe on December 18, 2009, during mid-morning. Several distinct orbs are apparent, moving out from behind the clouds, proving once again that they are not lens flares. Another example of bright moon swirl orbs was captured on video in Padua, Italy, last August 24, 2009. This orb was seen naked eye by the astonished photographer who stopped his car to take the video. At the start of Zeta Talk in 1995, I was prompted by the Zetas to draw this depiction of Planet X out in the void, as it traveled along, dragging its red dust cloud and moon swirls behind it. Note that the moon swirls curl. When Planet X arrived in 2003, actual photos of these moons in a swirl, elongated in a curved string of pearls, appeared. This one is from China in 2003. And the US in 2004. And from Italy also. Just as the Planet X complex has begun showing up on SOHO in stereo images, these moon swirls have begun to appear too, here on SOHO. And here on the stereo ahead image. There is even one complex that appears as a check mark, a dominant moon with two swirls attached, showing up on SOHO C2 and C3 images. And on stereo behind, too, in yet another wave format. Until next time on the Zeta Report, this is Nancy Leader.